Hi everyone, welcome to Ask an Armourer. My name is Kia and today I'll be showing you how to clean out the tip of your foil. Now, there's a few different reasons why you would want to clean out the tip of your foil. First, it will allow it to move more smoothly as it reduces friction inside the barrel. Second, it will allow you to investigate any potential issues that are coming up, such as a screw starting to get stripped or the button end starting to break, etc. Third, it'll reduce intermittent white lights because there will be nothing else inside the tip that can interfere with the circuit. Overall, it's just a really good way to maintain your equipment and help keep it in or return it to top form. The tools you're going to need for this are your micro screwdriver set, some cotton swabs, and a bit of acetone. I keep mine in this cute little skull bottle because that's what makes me happy. Also useful but not entirely necessary is a roll of tape and a magnetic pad or bowl to catch small parts. The setup I use for this is I place my foil on my work surface with the handle towards my dominant hand and tip towards my non-dominant hand. I place the bell guard in the roll of tape so that I can easily rotate my foil for working on the screws and don't have to worry about it rolling away from me. I then place my magnetic bowl under the tip and remove the top portion of tape. Now comes the first tricky bit, removing the screws without letting the button and the spring fly across the room. There's no real right or wrong way to do this, but this is the easiest way I've discovered to manage this. First, cup the tip in your non-dominant hand using your fingers to hold the blade, and then your thumb to hold down the button and release pressure on the screws. Take your tip screwdriver and unscrew the first of the screws. If the screws are in good shape, this should be relatively easy, but if they're a bit damaged, it may require a bit more effort and creativity. After the first screw is out, drop it into the magnetic bowl for safekeeping. Flip the blade over and remove the second without releasing your thumb. Once both screws are out, that will be the only thing holding the tip together. Slowly release the button, and once there's no more pressure from the spring on it, you can remove it fully and drop it into your bowl. Sometimes the spring will come with it, and other times you may need to fish it out with your screwdriver. Once that's out, place it in the bowl as well. Now you have a fully empty barrel ready for cleaning. At this point, grab your acetone and some cotton swabs. I find most cotton swabs are slightly too wide to fit into the foil barrel, so I'll just pull a bit off of them to fix that. Dip the end into your acetone and let any drip off for a second. Now you can just insert this into the barrel and twist it all the way around. Pull it out to see what it looks like. If it's relatively clean, it may be all you have to do. However, if it's super gross, you may need to repeat these steps a few times to fully clean out the tip. I've had to use as many as 3 swabs, utilizing both ends, before a barrel was fully cleaned. Now you just need to put it back together. This may be a bit trickier than taking it apart as you now have to control the screws a bit more, but I promise it gets easier with practice. First, replace the spring and the button into the barrel. You can just let it hang there for a moment while you prep the first. The easiest way I've found to manage these tiny screws is to place them onto the end of my screwdriver and then extend a finger to press against both, supporting them and making sure the screw doesn't shift. Like so. Then, holding in the tip in the same way as when disassembling it, I can place the screw into the hole and tighten it down. Repeat on both sides and you're set. Finally, just replace the tape on the barrel and you're good to go. So there you have it, a nicely clean tip that's ready to get back on piece. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or other topics you'd like me to cover in the future, let me know down below. See you in the next one. Bye.